Hi everyone, very good morning. Let's go to see our lesson for today. Today we are going to learn a new topic that is materials. Refer your textbook page 141. Okay, today we are going to see the basic sources of materials. Our topic today is basic sources of materials. There are many objects in our daily life. The objects are made from a variety of basic sources such as plants, animals, petroleums, and rocks. Observe the objects below. Okay, so our basic sources of materials are plants, animals, petroleum, and rocks. Okay, now look at the first one first. Okay, our first basic sources of materials are plants. Okay, from the plants, okay, the plants example like rubber trees give us rubber. Then we can make some object from the rubber like tires and rubber glove. Okay, second one, trees in the jungle give us wood and we can make some object from the wood like wooden cupboard and wooden chair. Number 3, cotton plants. We get cotton and shirts, towel we can make from the cotton. So our basic sources of material, the first one is plants. Second one, animals. Our second basic sources of materials are animals. Okay, animals like sheep, cow, and silkworm will give us a material like, okay, from sheep we can make woolen cap and sweater. From the cow skin, we can make leather shoes and leather sofa. And from the silkworm, we get silk cocoon, and the material from the silk cocoons are silk necktie and silk clothes. Okay, so this one, the all objects coming from the material from the animals. So our second basic sources of materials are animals. Number 3, basic sources. Number 3 basic sources is petroleum. Petroleum is a black oil obtained from the ground to produce petrol and other materials. Petroleum is formed from living things that had died millions of years ago. Okay, so now look at petroleum. From petroleum, we can make plastic, and from the plastic, we can make plastic bag and plastic bottle. So plastic bottle, plastic bag coming from the petroleum. And second one, synthetic clothes like raincoat and tent we made from the petroleum. So the basic sources of these materials are petroleum. Okay, and number 4, our last basic sources of materials is the rocks. Okay, rocks. From rock we get metal and soil. Metal and soil coming from the rock, and from metal we get material like gold and copper. And from copper and gold we can make gold necklace, pewter objects and coins. And from the clay, from the soil we can get clay and sand. So from clay we can make ceramic bowl and brick. From the sand we can make mirror and glass bottle. So all the object from the glasses are we made from the sand. And the sand from the soil, and soil is rocks. So we have 4 basic sources of material, that is plants, animals, petroleum, and rocks. Hope you understand. Okay, let's go for our exercise for today. Today you are going to do the lembaran 53. Match the material with their basic resources. Match the correct with the correct answer. Second one, lembaran 54. Okay, answer the question based on the diagram below. Just tick the correct characteristic for the object in the diagram. Then complete the table below based on the object in the diagram. Okay, this the first table for object, basic resources and material. So you have to refer here. Okay, you have to refer here. This one we call basic sources. This one we call material. Okay, this one we call example of objects. So you must refer teachers the notes from the textbook before answer the question in lembaran 54. Okay, that's all for today. After finish all your exercise, please send the answer in the Telegram group. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you enjoy and understand what teacher explained to you just now. Thank you so much. See you next week.